What's going on, everybody? It's UrAvg'SnkrsGuy, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to lace the Air Jordan 1 Rare Air, and I'm gonna give y'all the on-feet look. But before we get into this, can I get y'all to hit that like button if y'all rock with your boy? If you don't, hit the dislike, and I still appreciate y'all. So, like I said at the beginning, I'm gonna show y'all how to lace the Air Jordan 1 highs. A lot of y'all still don't know how to lace y'all Jordan 1s yet. And for y'all, some of y'all new sneakerhead, if you don't know, the Air Jordan 1 highs OG do not come laced up. So I'm gonna show y'all how to get that loose lace effect. But before we get into this, let me give y'all a 360 look of the Air Jordan 1 Rare Air. Look at the booty on that thing. Look at the hourglass booty. You got the black Nike swoosh. You got the toe box with the premium white leather on it. And the leather is so soft on these shoes, bro. Like, Nike really did a good job and put some premium material on this shoe right here. You got the outsole, you got the black outsole, and on the medial side, you got bam, that's the medial side. And let's take a look right here on this shoe. On this shoe, you got the Nike Air on the wing logo instead of the Air Jordan. I thought that was a dope touch. You got the Nike with the check mark on the tag, on the tongue, without the Air. I thought that was a nice switch up. A lot of folks probably ain't gonna catch that. You got that black tongue. Look at the toe box on this shoe. Bam. The outsole. And look at that booty. Ooh wee. But enough of that. Let's go ahead and lace these bad boys up. They come pre-laced with the blue laces, but in my opinion, we not rocking the blue laces. We gonna put the white and sail laces that also come with these shoes. I think the white laces will make this shoe pop even more. So let's go ahead and start this lace transition. Like I said, the Air Jordan 1s, they do not come pre-laced up already. You gotta sit here and lace every Air Jordan 1 sneaker all the way up. Both sneakers at that. So man, y'all take your time. What I like to do first, I like to go ahead and start off at the bottom. And I go ahead and pre-lace two of them. And then I line them up right here. You want to line them up. That way you get that even. You want to get it even all the way to the top. Whoa, these some long laces. You want to make sure you got the even amount of laces on both sides. And we're not gonna tie these all the way up. We're going for that loose lace effect. As you can see right here, this side, the left side, got more slack. So we're gonna have to add some more on this side. So we're gonna take this right here, bam, and boom. So we get it both even. All right, we got both sides even. So you just wanna take your time. And see, what I like to do too, I like to go outside in. A lot of other folks like to go inside out. But I think it just look better when you go outside in. But what you want to do, you want to pull it, but you want to have guide it with your thumb so you get that even straight look. You see that straight? You want your laces to be straight at all time when you're lacing them up. So we got that first one in. Now we're gonna start the second one. Like I said, we go outside in. Got it with your thumb and boom. And always make sure you always in with an even slack. Always in where they both sides is even. That's enough talking. We finna go ahead and lace these bad boys up.
Questa è la musica di Rachmaninoff. Ascoltalo.
Now, when I get to this spot right here, when I get to this lace slot right here, this is where I change stuff up. Now, you want to, when you start to go to loop the other side, you see this you see this tab. You want to pull the lace behind this tab right here. The reason we go behind the tag is because you want that look right there. You see how that tongue is displayed and you got that loose lace, but you still have all this tongue showing. Like, a lot of folks make the mistake when they tie their shoes, when they tie their Air Jordan 1s, they hide the tongue by tying it. So you go behind the tag and you get that dope look right there. So when you wearing pants, joggers, that tongue is gonna be the first thing a lot of folks see. And we call these the bunny ears. This the bunny ears loose lace. Look how that white make these shoes pop even more. And don't worry about, I know a lot of y'all probably gonna be worried about, well, the loose is too loose, it's too much slack. So if it's just too much slack, all you got to do is just pull it in, bam, pull it in, and then loose up right here, loose up some of this in the forefoot. Problem solved. Look at that, bam, problem solved. Now, since we just laced this one up, I'm gonna go ahead and lace this one up behind scene. Now that I got both of the sneakers laced up, let me give y'all a look at what these look like with the white laces before we go check these things out on feet. Look at that, bam. Look how the white laces bring this shoe out. Like, why do y'all not like these shoes? Tell me why you didn't pick these shoes up. If these shoes would have released in 2024, last year, would y'all would have copped these? Are y'all skipping out because Nike bringing a lot of retros out? Y'all let me know why y'all didn't pick these up. I think these are dope in my opinion. With that being said, let's go see what these things look like on feet.
Questa è la musica di rock mani off. Ascoltalo.
All right, y'all let me know down in the comment what y'all thought of that on feed. If you made it this far and you haven't already, make sure y'all hit that like button. It helped the channel grow. It helped the video get reached out to more people. We on this road to 100K. So if you have it, make sure y'all sub up to your boy and come join your Average Sneaker Guy Nation. And I'm gonna give y'all a final look. And I appreciate y'all rocking with this video of how to lace the Air Jordan 1 High Rare Air. Until next time, it's your Average Sneaker Guy. But y'all know the average don't stand for average, because these shoes right here is not average. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.